Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Jose with generatingentrepreneurs.com, and it's been a good year so far. Very exciting. Just wanted to talk on a few things though, because as we round the end of March, we're coming close to it. Just wanted to know how many people have had issues with their New Year's resolutions. Because for me, I fell off. I stopped eating healthy for about 2-3 weeks and gained a bunch of weight, and realized it's too easy to just fall off, and I had to start all over. And there was a time where I felt like I lost progress and I wanted to stop and just get down on myself, but I had to pick myself back up and start it all over again, and now back on track with my weight loss. But I just wanted to get your guys' opinion. I wanted to see, what's some of the struggles that you're going through, and what is your resolution that you had for the year, and if you're sticking to it. Let me know how you feel, and let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to talk with you guys and just get to know you more. My name's Jose with generatingentrepreneurs.com. You guys have a good day.